Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to add product in the wish list in Magento 2. So let's start with it. So where is the folder? App, code, code is perfect, index and this paste. We're going to just use the concept that we have namespace. After that we need to just replace this app coders index for the API part. And remove this also when you don't need customer helper. We need model session, scope, wishlist, and product. JSON factory that is for the return with JSON. Okay, so this is done, and let's remove this part. We have result factory, scope, get wishlist journal active or inactive. So first of all, we will check whether the wishlist is active or inactive. Wishlist has been disabled by the admin. If customer session is not logged in, session expired, please log in. If it is empty response, then we will get the customer session, then we will load the customer error. And if wishlist is not, then we will return unable to create wishlist. Else we will request the product and we will add into the wishlist. Wishlist has been added, then this. So check whether the product is parameter or not get parameter. So we need to get the product ID. Okay, so let's begin with that. Okay, so here we have all the things. So let's run the commands and let's check the wishlist is working or not. This is done. Let's run the commands. cd var www.html magento 26. Now we are going to run the commands. Wait. So this command is already run. Now let's move to the next command. We have deployment. Then we are going to add the permissions. Paste these permissions, then we are done. So let's review the code first, and I think we should review that everything is working perfectly or not. I'm going to over here. So this is session. Let's check first of all. First of all, we should hit the API add to wish list. So see what we are getting on. So we are going to add it to wish list. Add it to wish list. Okay. So let's hit this API and what we are getting. Add to wish list is not we have adding. So why it's showing app coders profit? We are pasting in a wrong folder. No, it's in the index and it's add to wish list, and where we are wrong. Add to wish list. This Post. Let's check what it says. Add to wish list. Okay. S wish list spelling. I think there is issue. Wish list. So there is wish list. Wish list. Okay. Now I will check. Session expired. Please log in. Okay. So now its API is working. So let's log in first. I'm logged in. Okay. Now check. What new error is? Product not found. So let's add the key product. Okay, equal to I put one ID. Okay, that should be added in the product. Let's check our wish list first, whether it is empty or what. Let's log in, sign in, and check. Sign in. Now I'm sign in right now. Okay, let's check my account, my account, my wish list, my wish list. It has no items right now. Okay, so I'm going to add product one. If I'm going trying to look at the add testing product has been added to a wish list. Let's refresh it. See, one product is added. See, that product is added in the wish list. So this is how we can add the product in the wish list via API using the REST API in Magento 2. So I hope you will like this video, and if you liked it, then please do share, comment, and something like that so that it will motivate us. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. In the next video, we are going to remove this item from the wish list, and yeah, we will do that part also. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.